How to fix Instagram song problem easily and fast in less than 50 seconds. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. To fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing, make sure to update your Instagram into the latest version. If you don't know how to do it, I'm gonna show you how. First thing, open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Instagram and then click on update. After that, you have to open the settings and go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So you have to scroll, click on Instagram, click on this force stop option, and then click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. That's it guys, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel for more educational videos.